For decades, science fiction and documentary filmmaking have taught you to fear one ultimate cosmic entity above all others, the black hole, a region of space-time where gravity is so absolute that nothing, not even light, can escape. We treat them as the apex predators of the dark, but astrophysicists know a hidden truth. Black holes are predictable. They stay in one place. If you don't cross their event horizon, they won't hunt you down. But the universe hides anomalies far more chaotic, unpredictable, and violently destructive than a standard singularity. Entities that don't just sit and wait, but actively weaponize the laws of physics across millions of light years. From roving dead stars that can erase your atomic structure from trillions of miles away, to invisible bubbles expanding at light speed that could delete reality tonight without warning. Today, we are counting down to 10 space objects far more dangerous than a black hole, and the object at number 1 breaks the very fabric of time itself. We begin at number 10, magnetars. A black hole can rip you apart with gravity, but a magnetar destroys the very building blocks of matter. These are ultra-dense neutron stars with magnetic fields 1 quadrillion times stronger than Earth's. If a magnetar floated just halfway to the moon, its magnetic field would instantly dissolve the molecular bonds of your body, erasing your physical form into atomic mist. Number 9 introduces kinetic terror, hypervelocity rogue stars. Black holes sit comfortably at the centers of galaxies. Hypervelocity stars do not. Born from violent gravitational three-body interactions, these massive stars have been violently ejected from their galaxies, screaming through empty space at over 2 million miles per hour. They are cosmic bulldozers, blindly tearing through star systems, destabilizing orbits, and turning stable solar systems into chaotic firing ranges. And at number 8, quark stars. A theoretical state of matter so dense that gravity forces individual neutrons to dissolve into an ultra-dense soup of free quarks. A single gram of this material contains more destructive potential energy than our sun generates in a lifetime. If a quark star undergoes a phase transition, it creates a strangelet contagion, a localized reaction that converts any normal matter it touches into dense, strange matter, triggering a planetary chain reaction. We enter the realm of pure energy at number 7, blazars. While a black hole traps light inside its horizon, a feeding supermassive black hole can create an engine of absolute destruction. When matter falls into a galactic core, magnetic fields channel that energy into 2 colossal jets of plasma moving at 99.9% the speed of light. If that jet happens to point directly at Earth, it becomes a blazar. It is a cosmic sniper rifle, capable of sterilizing atmospheres across billions of light years of empty space. At number 6 is its silent counterpart, rogue gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs. Born from the violent collapse of hypernovas, GRBs release more energy in 10 seconds than our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. If a rogue GRB struck Earth from within our own galaxy, there would be no warning. Light travels at the speed of the blast. The sky would simply flash green, the ozone layer would dissolve instantly, and global extinction would trigger before our satellites could even log the data. At number 5, microquasars. These are stellar mass black holes paired with a companion star, but unlike their giant cousins at the center of galaxies, microquasars move freely through our galactic neighborhood. They wander between stars, unpredictably firing smaller, high-energy particle beams that can cook planetary systems in a matter of hours. As we near the summit of our countdown, we confront the invisible terrors. At number 4, hypermassive rogue black holes. While standard supermassive black holes anchor the centers of galaxies, violent cosmic collisions can kick these behemoths out into the empty void. They wander through the darkness between galaxies completely invisible because they have no material nearby to feed on. They are silent, unmappable cosmic traps, traveling through the dark like a predatory phantom until they pass through a solar system, destabilizing everything by their mere presence. Number 3 introduces a hypothetical anomaly, dark matter stars. Entire stellar structures composed of weakly interacting massive particles. They emit no light, reflect no radiation, and possess a gravitational profile that mimics a normal star. You wouldn't know a dark matter star was near until your spaceship found itself entering an orbit around an invisible entity, slowly draining your vessel's kinetic energy until you plunge into an icy, dark core. And then number 2, strange matter primordial planets. Leftover relics from the fraction of a second following the Big Bang. These are worlds made entirely of stable, strange quarks. They do not look dangerous. They appear as beautiful, smooth, crystalline spheres floating in space. But if a spacecraft, an asteroid, or a human being touches the surface of a strange world, your entire molecular structure is instantly rewritten. You become strange matter. It is a biological and physical dead end. This brings us to number 1. An anomaly so absolute that it makes the destructive power of a black hole look like a flicker of a match. The false vacuum decay. According to quantum field theory, our universe may rest in a temporary state of stability, a false vacuum. If a single point in space changes its quantum state into a true vacuum, it would trigger a catastrophic collapse of the Higgs field. This creates an invisible bubble of alternative physics expanding outward in all directions at the absolute speed of light. You would never see it coming. There is no warning radiation, no light profile, no gravitational shift. The bubble simply sweeps over galaxies, instantly deleting the fundamental laws of chemistry, nuclear physics, and molecular structure. Atoms would cease to hold together. Matter would be instantly rewritten into unrecognizable forms. A black hole merely traps matter within our universe. A false vacuum decay deletes the universe itself, leaving behind an empty canvas where our reality never existed. The universe is not a quiet, peaceful garden. It is a chaotic arena governed by monsters of energy, magnetism, and physics that dwarf the imagination. Black holes are simply the predators we can see. The true dangers are the ones hiding in the deep dark, silent and fast. But as we sit on our tiny, fragile blue planet, we possess the greatest power of all. The ability to observe, calculate, and understand these cosmic giants. If you want to continue exploring the deepest, most terrifying mysteries of our universe alongside us, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop your favorite cosmic anomaly in the comments below, and turn on notifications. The universe is writing its story in the dark. We just have to keep watching. Until next time, space pilots.